I want to talk today about what happens if you get a DUI in California and you have a Class A commercial license. The law here is contained in Vehicle Code 23152D and Vehicle Code 15300. There's two key points to note. First of all, if you're driving a commercial vehicle and you get pulled over for DUI and you take a breath test or a blood test, then the legal limit is a .04. Now, most of you know if you're driving a private vehicle, then the legal limit is .08. But if you're driving a commercial vehicle, then the legal limit is cut in half to .04. It's very easy to get to .04. Often 1 or 2 drinks will get you there. Now, if you have a commercial license and you get pulled over while driving a private vehicle, then the standard is still a .08. So the .04 standard only applies when you're actually driving the commercial vehicle. The second point to note is that if you're convicted of DUI in court or you lose your DMV hearing and you have a commercial license, then there will be a 1-year suspension of your privilege to drive a commercial vehicle. On a second offense, it's a lifetime revocation of your commercial driver's license. And this occurs even if you were driving your private vehicle at the time. So suppose you're a bus driver and your shift ends and you go home and you get in your private vehicle, your Toyota Prius, you drive to the bar, you're driving home, and you get popped for DUI. If you're convicted or you lose your DMV hearing, then it's the 1-year suspension even though you were driving your private vehicle and not the commercial vehicle when you got the DUI. So it's very harsh. If you're employed as a bus driver or a truck driver or a delivery person where you have a Class A commercial license and you get a DUI, then not only are you looking at losing your commercial license, but probably your job and probably your driving career. That's the bad news. The good news is that just because you get arrested for DUI and charged with DUI does not mean that it's necessarily going to be sustained in court. Police make mistakes, crime labs make mistakes, and a good DUI defense attorney can often capitalize on these and prevent you from being convicted. Here at Schaus Law Group, we've done this many times and saved many commercial driver's licenses and many clients' careers.